declined. Everything is item number 8. Eight. Yes, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay.
Respect about all the respondents, they have filed their affidavit.
Okay.
In respect of the state respondent, we have also filed our reply. Now, the private respondent, I have received their affidavit. I need some time to file reply. Therefore, madam, can this be listed on 9th of September?
9th.
Right.
The other side is present.
Meet please, your lordship.
Yes. You are for?
Meet please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 11, my lord.
No, just
That is an
wait.
anticipatory bail application.
Just wait. The other mention is going on.
Yeah.
Yes. Have you informed the other side? Okay. Mr. R.L. Tungon, Land Counsel for the petitioner, submitted. He has just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4. And he needs some time to go through and to file response if necessary. Stop. Huh? You want to file affidavit in reply? Okay. Wish to file affidavit in reply for which he prays for which he prays for some time. Stop. Huh? He has also informed and obtained consent from the Land Council for the respondent staff where is requested, list the matter on 9th September. Okay.
Hello.
Also,
Yes.
एक मिनट हमें दो
My lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 15 and 16.
Uh,
With the consent of RS40. Kindly this matter may be listed on 14 September.
14.
Yes.
Why?
My leading counsel is due to personal difficulty.
Mr. Shibu, leading counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, lordship, on behalf of
Land
T.
Council.
Tapak.
Submitted Mr. T. Tapa, leading counsel for the petitioner. He is out of the station, therefore pray for adjournment. Have you informed the other side?
Yes, lordship.
Okay. He has also obtained consent from the Land Council for the other side. Stop. In view of the above and has prayed for list a matter after
This
on 14.
14 September.
14. Okay.
Bless.
Yes.
Lord, I'm sorry to disturb your lordship. Lord, there was some issue
Yes.
as regard my connections, Lord. I had requested
Yes.
11 to become infructuous because he has been arrested yesterday.
Item 11. Item.
Yes.
Mr.
The petition. Item 11, my lord.
AB.
Yes, madam.
It has become
Yes, my lord.
infructuous.
Yes, he
Item
has been
11.
arrested.
Yes, AB. He has.
Okay.
He had been arrested yesterday, my lord.
Okay, Mr.
Close this petition.
Infructuous, madam.
Okay, Mr. Dubey, Land Council for the petition, submits that this bail application has become infructuous as that petitioner has already been arrested by the police yesterday
Yeah, my lord, yesterday, on 25th, though.
on 25th. Okay,
Yes.
stop.
25th,
In view of the above, this the bail application is closed on becoming infructuous.
Yes,
Okay.
obliged, ma'am.
Okay.
My
Keep your
lordship,
blessings.
I beg to mention item number 14. On behalf of Mr. T. Topu, matter will be listed after 2 weeks, my lord. Matter will be take up after 2 weeks.
Who will take up? Okay. There is private respondent also. Have you informed?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord.
Mr.
Mr. Jitachi.
The Land Council appearing on behalf of. You are mentioning on behalf of Tapu.
Yes, my lord.
Where is Tapu?
He is out of station, my lord.
Mr. Jitachi, Land Council submits that the leading counsel for the appellant, Mr. T. Tapu, is out of the station, and therefore he prays for adjournment of the matter and to be listed on 14.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay. He has also obtained consent from the land council for the other side. Stop. Is prayed for, comma, list the matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much of.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 on behalf of Learned Council B. Zamo. Lordship, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Currently, Mr. V. Zamo is out of town on medical ground.
Okay. Mr.
V. Zamo, Council for the Petitioner.
You,
I'm mentioning on behalf of V. Zamo.
land council submits that Mr. B. Jamo, land council for the petitioner, is out of the station in connection with this health problem. Therefore, pray for adjournment for 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
I may be allowed to mention one unlisted criminal petition as the last item.
As the last item.
Yes.
Last item would be late because election petition evidence is there, which will take time.
Or else, my lord.
Criminal petition is crossing petition.
Yes,
Only notice is to be issued.
yes. Notice has to be issued. And then,
You have already filed.
yes, already filed.
Okay.
Apply.
Item number 1,
Yes, you will obtain. My lord, I filed this criminal revision petition against order of special judge PPI, your lordship. We have
Revision.
revision, your lordship. We have filed a petition there, that is annexure 8, my lord,
Revision against?
against an order. Your
Huh?
lordship. Against order 22/6/2026, your lordship.
Uh-huh.
Filed a petition there for recalling and cross-examining of PW 1, 2, and 5, your lordship. So that petition was rejected. So we filed this petition.
What is wrong in it?
Oh, your lordship, we have filed the petition that the PW 1, 2, and 5 was not properly cross-examined.
Okay.
That's why we filed a petition to allow us to cross-examine the PW 1, 2, and 5, your lordship.
Okay. And in that cross examination also, if it is not properly done, then
Your lordship, some vital question should be not put, your lordship.
okay. But you cross examine the witnesses,
Your
isn't it?
Earlier, they were cross-examined.
Okay. And where is the provision?
Provision, your lordship, we
In-
filed petition
Whether this is a final order?
348 section, your lordship. The court has the power to recalling or re-examining any case.
Court has also power not to recall.
That power is court.
Okay. So court has not recalled it. So what is wrong in it?
Not wrong, but if your lordship, we did not cross-examine.
How do the person be permitted to cross examine again and again?
Not again,
Only
we have filed first time, your lordship, not and again, some regarding age of the victim guardian, since it's a POXO case, your lordship, that was not drag out, your lordship.
staff. This upon consideration, comma, and upon consideration and hearing the learning council for the parties, the petition and the prayer is allowed. This criminal revision petition is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty is prayed for.
item number 2,
Application in connection with the collection case number 13, DL case number 7, 8 of 2006. Also kindly come to the page number 14 and accept it.
Yes,
Page 14.
this is AB.
Also, Submitting approach the applicant company for the supply of these 7 machinery items. Thereafter, applicant informing about the term and condition of the payment, 50% advance payment, and before dispatching the
machinery 50%. Thereafter, lordship, complainant rates made a advance payment of 17 lakhs in 21/1/23. Thereafter, lordship, applicant approached the complainant for full payment of outstanding amount, 5 lakhs 50,000. But he failed to do so. Thereafter, applicants fetched the 3 items out of the list. You were summoned by police? Yes, Lord. When you were directed to appear? Appear on 3rd of this month. Lord. Did you appear? No, Lord. I have an experience in that. I may be a. Can you call for the case, Sari?
You can copy of the case.
Hard, Mr. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also hard Miss El Hage, learned additional PP for the state. Starts para. By filing this application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the petitioner is seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with Kalaktang PS case number 13/2024 under section 420 IPC, Indian Penal Code. When this was registered? Was registered in 2024. Okay. Start, huh? It is 21 because of 2000. What? Okay. Page? The prosecution case is could be seen from the FIR is that, no, just a minute, huh? Case is that the case of the petitioner is that based on the FIR lodged by one Sri Tasir Norbu against the managing director of Rudra Engineer. Okay, you are named in the FIR also. Okay, who is this? Okay, this is not a name, Sri Ram. Company. Okay. What is the allegation? Allegation is that I have not delivered the. Okay. Entirely alleging they are in that, despite of payment of 17 lakhs. Total loss of 20 lakhs. Okay, the payment of the amount, payment of the money amounting to rupees 20 lakhs. The out of which 11 lakhs 35,000 machinery I already supplied. Okay. The accused has not delivered the goods. Start goods. Stop, huh? Based on the aforesaid allegation, FIR, comma, the aforesaid PS case number 7824 was registered against a registered stop, huh? Para, the learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the entire dispute, even if taken at its face value, arises from a commercial transaction concerning supply, comma, and the petitioner has partly delivered for amount of rupees, delivered the goods for amount of rupees 11 lakhs. And concerning supply, stroke, huh? And supply, comma, part delivery and outstanding payment, non-payment, outstanding payment. Stop, huh? The learning counsel for the petitioner also submits that the goods could not be delivered as the informant failed to pay. However, the petitioner is ready to deliver the goods in the event the informant make a full payment as agreed upon by the parties. Stop. As such, the allegation against the accused is civil in nature, in which, according to the learning counsel for the petitioner, the custodial interrogation is not necessary. Stop. Para, the petitioner has also undertaken, the petitioner is also ready and willing to cooperate with the investigation and to abide by any terms and conditions to be imposed by this court. Stop. Para. Issue notice. Stop. Para, call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Stop. Since Ms. El Hage, an additional PP has accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice is required to be issued. Stop. Para. List the matter. Which PS case? Kalaktan.
16 September also.
16. Stop. In the meantime, pending production of the case diary. Comma.
He may be appear also before the.
It is okay. It is provided that in the event of the accused applicant being arrested in connection with the Kalaktan PS case number. Which one is PS case number? Okay, 13, 2024. He shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety, with two surety of like amount, one of which shall be a resident of the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions. Stop. That one, that the applicant shall appear before the IO of the case within, he is resident of Ahmedabad. So in 10 days he can appear. Okay. Within 10 days from today that thereafter he shall appear before the eye of the case as and when called for. Stop. That next, huh? That the applicant shall not directly or indirectly make any inducement, threat, or promise to any person acquainted with the fact of the case. Next, that we shall not leave the state of Arunachal Pradesh without prior information to the eye of the case. Okay, this the matter. 16, when you say?
16 September.
Okay, 16. Okay.
Item number 3,
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, this is successive criminal petition on the strength of the mutual settlement
Hmm?
entered into between the parties. Earlier petition was withdrawn on the change of circumstance with the liberty to file afresh.
Okay,
So this is subsequent successive application.
let us see where is the allegation.
Withdrawal order, my lord, at page number 26.
Hmm?
Withdrawal order at my lord, page number 26. The case is
What order?
initial withdrawal, previous withdrawal order is.
Withdrawal order.
Yes, your honor, my lord.
What is the allegation first?
Allegation, my lord, here issue involved with case is charge sheeted. Lord-
Charge sheeted.
Yes, my lord, charge sheeted at the stage of appearance, my lord.
Okay, but what is the allegation?
Allegation
Still.
here is of my lord, mischief, house trespass, and my lord, this dishonestly removal of the property. And whereas the main issue, my lord, here is revolving a domestic in nature, because my lord complainant, who is the petitioner number 1, is having an illicit appears with the husband of the petitioner number 2. And
Hmm?
petitioner number 3 and 4 is the elder brother of petitioner number 2. So on being the petitioner number 1 being caught red-handed with the husband of the petitioner number 2, there is the altercations and some property is allegedly damaged, my lord. However, since petitioner number 1 and 2 are the related.
Who is the informant here?
Informant is, my lord, petitioner number 1.
One.
Yes, my lord. Who is having illicit appears with the husband of petitioner number 2. So on being caught, there is altercation and some allegedly property has been damaged. However,
Okay.
since the
How many
parties,
cases are there?
pardon, my lord,
How many cases are between them?
my lord, only one. This
Only
instant
one?
case. Yes, my lord, only instant case.
What is this FIR then?
This
Page
this
32?
FIR, my lord, this page number 30, Annexure 3 FIR is being lodged by the petition number 2 against the husband. My lord.
But this seems also has been registered.
Yes, this is against the husband, my lord. This is not connected with.
Not connected?
Yes, my lord. No, it is not at all connected. But arising out of the same cause of action, the petitioner number 2 laws an FIR in which her husband has been registered.
No, this, okay, this case is still pending.
Yes, it's,
The one lodged by the petitioner number 2
yes, my lord. It is
is
pending, my lord.
not connected.
Not connected, my lord.
Okay,
And
where is
we-
then the present,
Present is, my lord, at page number 33, Annexure 4, my lord, which has been charge sheeted.
no, where is the complaint, allegation?
Allegation, lordship may kindly see at the page number, in the same annexure, my lord may see the page number 46, my lord. 46, my lord.
Just a minute, huh?
May I read it, my lord?
Just a minute, huh? It
Yes,
is all at about the same time or same FIR by?
Allegation, my lord, is arising out of same cause of action, but then this has been lodged
Different-
belated after 9 days.
By laws by different person. One
Both.
by the wife and one by the girlfriend.
Yes, my lord. This is the petitioner number 1, who is the girlfriend, my lord.
Okay. And accused persons are the brother.
Yes, accused is the petitioner number 2, who is the wife of girlfriend's husband, and 3 and 4 are the sibling of petitioner number 2, who are the student, my lord, college student of 5th semester, Model College, Basar, my lord.
Yeah,
Then
yes,
I have annexed the
yes, Ms. Jenny.
Yes, Your Lordship, since they have also annexed the last order, Your Lordship,
Uh-huh.
I think this is a case for quashing, Your Lordship, on settlement.
Hmm?
This is a case for quashing on settlement, Your Lordship. Otherwise, I don't have any objection.
Hmm.
Because the last order that they have brought into record, Your Lordship, even the calling for the TCR would not be necessary.
Can allow.
Yes.
Okay.
The last order is on 3/6/26 for appearance or issuance of summon.
27/8.
yes, my lord.
Tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
Hmm. So,
It is at the stage of appearance only, my lord.
so you were actually waiting for the last date.
No, my lord, earlier I have filed, but due to, since then when I have filed, the case was not charge sheeted. Whereas just after the 4 days from the registrations of the case, I have submitted the settlement agreement to the IO. So I bona fidely believe the case might not be forwarded. But then again, subsequently, after my previous filing of the previous criminal petition, case has been charge sheeted, and subsequently, one more accused has been arraigned as accused person, which is never been the part of our
Which
settlement.
one? Which one?
That is petitioner number 4. Petitioner number 4 was been arraigned in the charge sheet, whereas he was not a part to our agreement
Okay,
in the
so
previous settlement.
not in a FIR.
Yes, my lord.
Charge sheet means in the meantime, when it was filed? 25/9.
Yes.
No. 25/9, long back.
Charge sheeted
23/12.
9th of February 2026.
Is it? Charge sheet number
Oh, it's
23/12.
23/12, and it was
Okay, it was-
forwarded on 9th of February 26.
9th of
I don't know,
33, number 30.
It was there only.
Yes, it was charge sheeted in the year 2025,
Some
December,
kind.
and forwarded on 9th of February 20.
Me pay बोले. Okay, just let us record the fact, huh?
Yes.
Hard, Mr.
Peter, my lord.
Land Council for the petitioner. So also hard, Miss Jeannie, Land additional PP for the state. Start. The Tara, the present petition is being filed jointly by the informant and the accused, seeking quashing of the charge sheet number 108/2025, dated 25/9/2025, in Alo PS case number 54/2025, under section 332C, 333, 324(4), stroke 310(2) BNS, corresponding to GR. There is a prayer for question of the GR case itself. Where? And the proceeding in GR case number 75/2025, pending before the Land Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Alo. Start, huh? After lodging of FIR, the withdrawal was filed.
Pardon, my lord.
Withdrawal? Just a minute, huh? Where is the FIR? Okay. The case of the petitioner is that based on the FIR lodged by petitioner. Sorry, just a minute. The petitioner, the petitioner number 1 is the informant. Petitioner number 1, name, Srimati Jabmit Potham is the informant. Semicolon. Petitioner number 2, Srimati Litar Bole Riba, who is the Litar Riba, comma. Petitioner number 3, Sri Likik Bole, and the petitioner number 4, Sri Nipe Bole, are accused in the aforesaid GR case number 75/2025 arising out of LOPS case number 54/2025. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that based on the written FIR lodged by the petitioner number 1, on 25/9/2025, inter alia alleging there and that against the accused for what are these allegations? Illegal trespass. What are the sections?
Sections is Melota 323,
Okay, that is
that is dishonestly removing of the property. 333, that is house trespass, Melota.
okay. House trespass,
And 324, that is mischief.
mischief, and destroy.
310, that is Gauhati, Melota.
Gauhati.
Yes, sir.
The aforesaid LOPS case was registered. Stop. Upon completion, registered and investigated into. Stop. Para. Not para. Stop. Upon completion of investigation, the in between you have filed for the withdrawal. No.
Yes, so Melot may see at phase number 49, annexure 6. Just after 4 days from the registration
Okay.
of cases, we have
Okay.
settled and submitted it
Okay.
for
Then,
the
however, immediately after lodging of the FIR, the informant has page 49.
Yes, Melot, phase 49, that is annexure 6, Melot.
What is this?
This is just after
This is
3 days,
settlement only.
4 days
Where,
from.
It's written in the page number 40, Your Lordship, the
Page
second
40?
paragraph. It's recorded in the charge sheet,
It is a part of charge sheet, Melot.
Okay.
second paragraph. Your Lordship.
Where? Second paragraph.
Yes.
Page 40.
40, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Second paragraph.
Okay. Immediately after lodging of the FIR, the matter was mutually settled between the parties, and the petitioner, the informant, petitioner number 1, filed an application before the IO of the case for withdrawal. However, since the offense alleged against the accused, petitioner number 2, 3, and 4, are non-compoundable. The investigation proceeded, stop, and upon completion of investigation, the IO of the case submitted the case into charge sheet against the accused for offense under section 332C, 333, 324, 4, 310 to BNS staff BNS and The matter is now pending trial before the learned Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, alia. Stop. This is for appearance.
Yes, my lord, at the stage of appearance only.
Charge not yet framed.
No, my lord,
Okay.
first appearance.
The learned counsel for the petition is submitted. As the earlier withdrawal was not allowed, the informant and the petitioner has formally reduced the mutual settlement of the case between the parties on it is when it is 5.
Now, subsequently, the petitioner number 2 was not there. Subsequently, the new agreement was made on page number 50, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Page
page
number
50. Okay. 5/8/2026. Whereby the informant has categorically stated that matter whereby okay, the matter arised out of the domestic dispute between the parties, leading to the registration of the leading to the filing of charge sheet. So, however, since the matter has amicably been settled between the parties, she has no further grievance against the accused persons, and she does not want to pursue with the matter any further. She further agrees that to cooperate for quashing of the filing of the quashing petition before the High Court. Stop. In view of the above, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the dispute is between the individual and does not affect the society at large, and there is a remote chance of conviction of the accused persons under the circumstances. Therefore, we praise that the proceeding of the case, proceeding of the GR case number so and so, be quashed in the interest of justice. Stop. Miss Jeannie, non-additional PP, fairly submits that in view of the written agreement, GR number 75, in view of the amicable settlement between the parties, immediately after the occurrence of the incident, and the informant having expressed that she does not want to, she wished to withdraw the complaint, and thereafter by reduce the same into the written agreement, written mutual settlement agreement between the parties on 5/8/2026. She submits that there is, under the circumstances, there is a high chance of conviction of the accused. Therefore, she has no objection if the prayer for of the petitioner is allowed. Okay, third parties. Okay, disposal.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Matter number 4,
Hmm. Yes. There are private respondent also. This is also quashing petition. Okay.
Yes, the complaint case.
Complaint case.
Clear case.
Okay.
For your lordship, that is reference. I require one page, this, for your lordship reference regarding the list of events and sequences.
Hmm.
So, this petition, your lordship is filed for passing of the complaint case 02/2026. It has been filed by the respondent number 2, who is the complainant in the complaint case. Now, allegation against me is that I have fraud on Kabang decision. That is a basic allegation. The
Kabang decision.
Yes, the Kabang decision of dated 08/03/2026, which is on page number 77, your lordship.
It is start with the Kabang decision.
This is the Kabang decision,
Which one? Page?
77.
The case start with the Kabang decision.
Yes, yes. The complaint-
77.
The complaint case started with the Kabang decision. However, my case started since many years ago. But the allegation is that I have this Kabang decision that has been forged by me. This is the Kabang decision. That is,
8 March 26.
yes, 8 March 26. And since this is in the vernacular language, therefore I have given the type copy in English version also. That is in page 79. However, you will see before going to the English version, you will see, if you look at the page number 77, the original Adi language, below your lordship will see that there is the signature of the HGP, Head Gampura. It is Bharat Borang. And again, there is sign and seal of one more GP, that is Kulo Patil. Page 77, you will see.
Hmm.
And along with that, it also contains the copies to all the parties on the left side, your lordship. It is copy to Bondo Parme, Orem Irang, ADC Mariang, and Office copy. So what I mean to say, your lordship, is that after passing this Kabang order, all the copies are given to all these parties as per this numberings.
So who is the respondent? Private respondent
Orem Irang,
or an hearing?
the complainant in that CR case.
Okay. What is the settlement letters?
Now, there is no settlement, your lordship. This is
Hmm?
there is no settlement. This,
No settlement?
yes.
You said that Keba settlement?
No.
Keba order?
Cover order, yes. Cover order, your lordship. The English version is page number 79, your lordship.
Hmm.
Kabang decision dated 8 March 2026.
Spot verification. Examination.
After spot verification of the disputed land and examination of the sale deed executed on dated 16/12/2088, the following details are noted. Purchaser Bondo Parme, seller Namsing Mirang, witness Yobong Lego. The decision of the GBs of the customary court of Bomi village has been made in accordance with the sale deed agreement executed by the concerned parties and witnesses as mentioned above. 2. It is observed that the dispute between the parties arose only after the construction of highway. For the past 36 years, the said land had remained in peaceful possession of the purchaser Sri Bondo Parme. Now, owing to the construction of the highway, the old road was extended towards the hillside, whereby a small stretch of land was created on the valley side, which gave rise to the present boundary dispute. After purchasing the land, Bondo Parme erected a staked stone wall within his land, not as a boundary wall. Even today, if the PW road had continued to be in use, this dispute would not have arisen, as all PWD road was boundary. Therefore, the trees such as tapil, ogop, etc., planted by Bondo Parme shall constitute as the boundary between the parties. Neither party shall claim any boundary beyond the plantation line. So this is the Kabang order, Your Lordship, which they allege that it is false. Now, Your Lordship, before coming to the main text of the complaint case, I'd like to highlight before Your Lordship how this complaint has been filed, how this complaint case arose. Lordship, may I continue? So in the petitioner hearing, that is Wondo Parme, he is in possession of a plot of land measuring 800 square meters at Mariang. And this has been in his possession for more than 30 years. Now what happened, Your Lordship? At that time, he had two eastern side boundaries. One is the old PWD road, and other is the boundary of the complainant's mother, late Namsing Yiring. In the year 1988, I bought a small plot of land from the complainant's mother at the cost price of 350 rupees. That said, it, you also will see in page number page number 30, also. That's the old sale deed of 1988. The sale deed that I bought from the complainant's mother. That is in page number 30. That is in again in local language. So the English language is in page 32, Your Lordship. Page 32.
Yes.
So after buying this land from the complainant's mother, now my whole eastern boundary comprised of the old PWD road. And this old PWD,
So where is the description in the sale deed?
it is not mentioned here. It just says the land of Srimati Namsing Yirang.
No, that is there. Well, land description, not given.
No, not given.
Okay, then
Then after buying this land, my whole eastern side boundary comprised of the old PWD road. And therefore, after this served as a distinct boundary, me and the complainant. with
no,
the
no.
other-
Where from you are submitting? That your boundary, because no boundary in the sale deed, no boundary description has been given.
Yeah, but I'll make other case, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
I'll make other case. I'll clarify before Your Lordship. That all boundary was the boundary between me and the complainant. It is
Where from?
from my petition, Your Lordship.
Okay, no. How the boundary? What is the dispute then? Dispute is the entire land or the boundary?
No, they have encroached my land. They encroached my land.
It's only encroachment.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your land is still there.
No, they encroached my land.
No,
Then-
entire land or some portion of the
Some.
land. Okay,
Around 45
then it is possible. The complaint is for that.
No, complaint is for forgery of the Kabang decision. Against that encroachment, Your Lordship, there were two Kabangs were held.
Complaint is regarding
Forgery of the Kabang decision.
the Keba decision
Which I have
which
read
we have just read.
Yes. 0308 0803 2026. Page number 77, Your Lordship.
This is the original,
This is the 77. This is the original.
the Keba decision.
Yes. Which there.
8 March 2026 is
Yes.
the Keba decision.
Yes.
So this, according to them, is a
This is the fourth Kabang decision according to them as alleged in the complaint petition. But my submission, Your Lordship,
so where is the description? Where do we find the description of the land? East, west, south, north.
no,
Who are there? Who are there? Where is the land description of the land? Land
description, it is no, it is
nowhere.
No, not in the Kabang decision, neither in that 1988 agreement. But as per my submission, as per my petition, Your Lordship, I'm submitting that all PWD road was the boundary between me and the complainant. And therefore, I have annexed the photographs. I have also annexed one Google photograph taken by the Google map. It shows.
So it's how it affects this Keba decision affect the respondent or the complainant.
Now, this Kabang decision is in my favor. Because it says that the trees that has been planted by me shall continue to be the boundary between the two parties.
No, I'm asking you repeatedly. In any of the document, where do we find the description of the land?
No, Your Lordship, in the Kabang,
Any of the document other than your petition.
you know, it's if we look at the 19,
It must be dispute regarding the boundary only.
yes,
But if we look at this 1988 sale deed, it says that the downside is my land and the top part
Where?
in the sale deed, you see. Yeah, page 30, page 30. This take over, see. Yeah, you'll see page 77. Cover decision itself says,
Mm-hmm.
page 77, the cover decision. It itself says, paragraph 3 will make it.
Page 77?
Yes, the cover decision. It is the English version of the.
No, you just said the sale deed. Sale deed, no description has been mentioned.
That's my mistake. Page 79, yes, 79.
79.
Paragraph 2 and 3 will make this clear.
Hmm?
Paragraph 2 and 3. Paragraph 2 says that it is observed that the dispute between the parties only arose after the construction of highway. For the past 36 years, the said land had remained in the peaceful possession of the purchaser's segundo permit.
No description.
Yes, in paragraph 3 says, see. Now, owing to the construction of the highway, the old road was extended toward the hillside, whereby a small stretch of land was erected on the valley side, which gave rise to the present boundary dispute. So this shows that the old PWD was the boundary. This it implies that.
What is your prayer?
My prayer is,
And-
yes, to stay the proceeding of the CR.
What is the complaint?
Complaint itself said that this government decision, Your Lordship, it has been forced by me. That is a complaint, Your Lordship. Whereas all the signatures of all the GVs and all the copies has been forwarded to the ADC, the executive magistrate.
What is the, let us see the complaint.
It's from page 106, Your Lordship. And that the relevant portion you also can find in paragraph 5 and 6.
Hmm?
The relevant portion is paragraph 5 and 6.
Page.
Page 112.
Now, the alleged forged document. By using this alleged forged document, what did you do?
Now, Your Lordship, kindly allow me to submit from the beginning. I think Your Lordship will become clear if I make the whole story.
You should have begin with the beginning.
Yes, yes. No,
You begin with somewhere else. That's why.
I wanted to show you the cabinet decision before coming to my this secret.
No, it's okay. What we can do is, because the other party is not there, we can issue notice. We'll issue notice.
They have already under 223 lawsuit.
What is the stage of the complaint?
Appearance lawsuit,
Appearance.
223 lawsuit. They have
Appearance.
already
Appear.
issued notice. Yes.
So what's
No,
there?
Your Lordship,
To contest.
no, Your Lordship, what I'm submitting here, my case is that because after
Because you have a, see, if he is alleging forging of the Keba decision was signed by the Gauhati. Gauhati come and just clarify, finish. What more?
now, Your Lordship,
You have a Gauhati with you.
in this respect, Your Lordship, I have written one small paragraph in paragraph 23 of a petition.
Okay, just submit. What is that?
Now it says, now after this cabinet decision, I took back my land, which they have encroached. And the same decision was already, or after the cabinet decision was also heard by the ADC, that the executive magistrate. Now even the executive magistrate, he also upheld the cabinet order. And he directed on the hearing of before the executive magistrate, the other party, he even refused to sign peace bond. Therefore, the executive magistrate, by the order 9 June 2026, he upheld the cabinet order in toto. That also I have an experience, the order of the executive magistrate. Now, after the executive magistrate upheld the cabinet order, then I took back my position.
We'll have to see the record. How do we stay? It's a complaint case, complaint only. You
Yeah,
can
please.
contest.
Kindly allow me to submit in details. Thereafter, your lordship for any order, but I feel that I have not given proper submission.
We'll issue notice, but
But your lordship kindly state the proceeding now.
how do we stay the proceeding? It has just started and there's some allegation.
Now, because your lordship, what is the intention, your lordship? After the ADC passed my order, I took back my property. Thereafter, what they did, your lordship, was that they say that they are not aware of the Kabang order. But then this even serve ultimatum to the head GP.
You don't have to worry because it's a CABA decision.
Yeah.
Because CABA decision is not decided by in presence of one or two persons.
Yes, yes.
It's decided in the presence of the people of the area or the village. You don't have to worry. And if you have forged it, what can we do? Can't stay.
Yes,
Hmm.
They, before filing this complaint, they even wrote on one ultimatum letter to the head GP, asking him to withdraw the Kabang order, even if I have any petition.
Okay, whatever may be.
And then even the sister of the complainant, he also filed one FIR against my daughter, saying that I have treated her and vandalized their property. But even there also, the police has filed final report saying that there is no substance in this allegation, and this is purely a civil dispute which has been already decided by the Kabang and the ADC. Now, so what my point of submission here today, Your Lordship, is that this complaint case has been filed out in his effort to harass me and to vent out his anger.
You better contest there,
Your
appear there. And then if any coercive action order passed, you approach this
Because
court. And for the time being, what we can do is we can only issue notice. No stay at that stage, at this stage. No?
because Your Lordship, if you look at the,
Or before hearing the parties or perusing the records, huh? Okay,
Your Lordship,
we'll call for the record.
Can copy of
one-
the
one submission.
Hmm.
If you look at this case of the Bhajandal, yeah, it says that those cases which are filed with vindictive mind to harass the complainant.
So that is why we'll examine and pass necessary order.
In that case, Your Lordship,
It's not that we are not accepting.
in that case,
That's why we are issuing notice.
Your Lordship, in that case, may I pray that before calling the appearance of the accused, the head GP may be called. To make it,
Before calling,
before
have you
calling-
implemented HGB?
No, I have,
They did
But
not
this-
make party law.
no,
That will be,
but I haven't, but the magistrate can be directed to examine the head GP for. That will make things clear, Your Lordship.
it's very difficult to understand the submission then. Hmm. He has not been implemented. You want the person
No,
to HGB to be
But
called.
both can always,
So that can happen only before the KEBA. And that is also not the formal KEBA. Hmm.
no, Your Lordship, so that the magistrate becomes clear before taking cognizance. If he calls the head GP who has passed the Kabang order, then perhaps.
We'll call that also if required later on. Okay, let us see. Let the occasion arise to call him also. We will also direct you to impede him if necessary. Okay, Mr. Taja, K. Taja, Lani Council for the petitioner staff. I've also heard Ms. El Hage, Lani Council, Lani additional PP for the state. The respondent number 1 staff. The present petition under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 has been filed by the petitioner, seeking quashing and setting aside of the complaint registered case number 02/2026. Under section 223 read with 210 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Filed by one Sri Bondo Parme against the present petitioner.
No, the complaint is filed by the Oren O-R-E-N, this respondent number 2, this petition.
Okay, just a minute. Now, where is the complaint? Where is the complaint case? Annexes?
106.
Okay, one. Okay, filed by one Orem Irang. Respondent number 2 hearing. Okay, against the petitioner. Alleging for commission of offense punishable under section 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 318, and 61 of the BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Start compare. Issue notice. Returnable by 3 weeks.
Well, Lordship, one submission will happen. If you look at the section of the provision of BNSS, here I am allowed to give my evidence only after the prosecution witnesses, after the prosecution gives the witnesses. So my solution, if I appear on its successive dates, then it will be harassment, which is the sole motive of the respondent. Therefore, let you finally grant me interim order. They can come and contest this case here, Your Lordship. Because in the
Where is the order passed by the magistrate?
because you know, the trial in common cases are such that before to get before to taking giving before making charges, there is one stage called EBC, that evidence before charge.
Mhm.
There is one stage called EBC, evidence before charge, or all the complaint.
Where is the order?
Page 145. 145.
Is the
Yeah,
last
only
order?
notice issue, Lordship,
Yes.
for the appearance of the other party.
That actually is my submission. I have been notice to appear before the court, but therefore, if I appear on each successive date for the purpose of EBC, for they have given so many witnesses, Your Lordship. And if I'm not going to, then there's sole motive of harassing me to come to the court. Or if I'm in all manner of opportunity here, Your Lordship, with hearing efficiency. And my place.
No, the complainant, earlier, there must be some earlier order also. Complainant must have been examined.
Yes, he has still been examined in the complaint.
Hmm.
After this order is passed. Now they have been now before passing before making training charges against me, the magistrate will have to examine all the witnesses, all the competent witnesses, which has been more than 10% for the purpose of EBC, that is evidence before charge. Now you see, if I made the effort before on each successive days, then their very purpose to harass me with the motive of taking revenge, because I have taken back my land after the government, which has been enclosed by them. So the very purpose of filing this complaint to prevent the abuse of process of law, it will be defeated with us. Kindly grant me my intent here. Then you come here and contest for your lawsuit. Because your lawsuit, even for a person, even standing before the accused to talk on each and every successive case, that itself is also a irreparable loss. Even considering my knowledge, to finding infinity granted to me, let them come and contest this case if they have any substantial material. At least till next also,
No, see, in every case, it's not necessary that when you file the petition, it has to be staged.
yeah, that is true, but
In certain cases, you see,
the material on because clearly so that this is
it's
clearly
only notice. How do we stay? Okay. Then,
now after giving ultimatum to the counter,
have we said issue notice? Since Ms. Al-Hadi, an additional PP appear on behalf of the state, no formal notice required to be issued to the said respondent. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the private respondent. By a speed post as well as by usual process within 3 days from today. Staff of para. List the matter. The record need to be called for.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay,
Scan
call
copy
for,
of
call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Staff, list the matter. Again, after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 5.
Mayor, my
Hmm.
my lord, this is a petition for quashing of proceeding before the trial court arising out of FIR dated 4/2/2018. Here, my lord, the petition number 1 and 2, and the joint petitioner, that 1 is the accused and 2 is the complainant, and they both are husband and wife.
Okay.
And this was lodged in the year 2018. In fact, the wife, the complainant, after so many years, even she, in fact, she has forgotten that she has lodged one fire. So in few months back, the accused received a summon from the learned trial court. So this after the day, after discussion, there was an agreement that they are not, the wife is not willing to pursue the matters. So they have entered into an agreement dated 5/8/2026. So the trial is at the stage of appearance. So since this matter has already been resolved and they are the husband and wife having 3 children, the grown-up children. The eldest one is 22 years.
We are now staying together.
Yes. Of course, there were some matrimonial marital discourse in the year 2016, and subsequent to that, there were some. There were several meetings, and then after considering the futures and the interests of the children, they have reconciled, and since then, since 2018, they are peacefully, they are at peace. So this is a fit case, my lord. The continuation of this trial would be a futile exercise.
Yes, sir. Yes.
When a husband-wife dispute, my lord.
Hmm.
The Lakshmi Narayan case will.
2018,
Yes, ma'am.
old case also.
Old case also, ma'am.
They have forgotten.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ask Mr. Iyomo. Plan counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr. Yete, plan additional PP for the state. Huh? This application under section 5 to 8 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita has jointly been filed by the accused and the informant, praying for quashing and setting aside the GR case number 105/2018, arising out of which PS case?
Women PS Itanagar, ma'am.
Ita WPS case number
Eta WPS case number 12/2018, registered under section 498A.
Yes.
323/506 of Indian Penal Code 1860. Pending before the court of the Learned Court of the Judicial Magistrate, First Class UPR. Start. The petitioner number 1 is the accused husband, and petitioner number 1, Sri Lijum Bulo, is accused husband, and the petitioner number 2, Srimati Marvi Ete Bulo, is the informant in the aforesaid police station case. Start. The case of the petitioner is that based on the written FIR lodged by the wife, petitioner number 2, against her husband, petitioner number 1, against her husband, accused petitioner number 1, the aforesaid Utah Women PS case, Utah Women PS case number 1218 was registered. Stop. Upon investigation, the police the IO of the investigating officer of the case has submitted the case into charge sheet against the accused petitioner number 1 for offense under section 498A, stroke 323, stroke 506 IPC. Where is the last order passed by the magistrate?
My lord, I have to connect that order. That order is not in the record, my.
At what stage this case is pending before the magistrate?
Government.
It is, my lord, it is at appearances for CC note.
Could have annexed the last order at least.
In my petition, my lord, I have stated that para 9.
Where from you have stated in the petition? Must have stated from the document. Why you did not annex the document?
My lord,
What is there any secret?
no, my lord. My lord, that is inadvertent.
Don't do that.
Yes, my lord.
Be open
Apologies.
before the court.
Yes. It was supposed
Something maybe against, maybe for. No?
Yes. At least notice. At least I could have annexed the notice also. But that I have inadvertently.
You have stated
Yes, in para.
anything but everything, but then you are not annexed.
Yes, para 9.
See, in absence of such, it doesn't look nice. The judge also, we also feel awkward,
Yes, fine.
knowing that you have the order, but then you have concealed it.
My lord, difficulty was on last occasion, last day, TU was on leave. So difficult, that's why the proper order could not be obtained. And
Then you should have not filed this unless you obtain those order,
yes,
because you know that those are the required order which is required to. Otherwise, we need to call for the record.
Yes.
Record is otherwise available, even if you keep it hiding also, you can't
yes,
hide it.
yes.
These
I
small things, these small things
Yes, I should.
makes the judge to think about
Yes,
and pose question. Why should you create doubt?
due to some oversight, my lord, I admit it. Or in case,
Which,
And otherwise, let him file additional affidavit then, my lord. It will be better.
do you have the copy?
no, I have to obtain it because on last occasion, accused appeared before the court, but court was not sitting. So verbally, it was informed by the bench assistant that next date is 1st October 2026. So that's how this order date.
And the case is now pending for appearance.
I'll be careful from next time.
Pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate for appearance. Stop. Okay, start. per the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted during petitioner submitted the since the accused and the informant are wife and husband, and the case is of 2018, they have forgotten the pendency of the case, which arose due to the family discord. However, on receipt of the notice, they realized that the case is still pending, and accordingly, accordingly, a formal settlement agreement deed was executed on 5/8/2026, whereby it is stated that the case has been mutually, amicably and mutually settled between the parties, and then since the accused petitioner number 1 and informant petitioner number 2, being wife and husband, are happily staying together, living together, the wife petitioner number, the informant petitioner wife, the informant wife, petitioner number 2, categorically stated that she does not have any further grievance against the accused, and she does not want to pursue with the matter any further. Maintenance also being paid now.
Yes, actually, maintenance, my lord, that was order in pursuance to the order passed by Women Commission.
Now also.
Yes, it's still paying.
But you said that they are staying together.
The difficulty, my lord, staying together means, madam, that order.
So maintenance order passed by the maintenance order amount that she received from the husband, she feed with the husband.
Yes.
Meaning
That amount is being automatically deducted from the account of the husband to the account of the petition number 2. So it is still being deducted.
there is still some dispute.
No, my lord, no dispute.
Okay. Okay.
I have made this
And under
only to so that husband is there at the peace.
and under the circumstances, and submits that since the dispute is between the wife and husband, it is a private in nature, and doesn't affect the society at large, and therefore private nature, and further, under the circumstances, there is no scope of the conviction. Therefore, we praise that the matter and the proceeding, even he submits that even if the GR case is allowed to be proceeded, there is no scope of the conviction of the accused. Hence, praise for quashing of the proceedings. Stop. Then they said that Mr. Ete, Lane additional PP, fairly submits that since the dispute is between the wife and husband, and they have amicably settled the dispute by executing a settlement agreement dated 5 August 2026, whereby the wife informant has clearly stated that she does not have any further grievance against her accused husband, and she does not want to pursue with the matter any further. In view, therefore, he does he has no objection if the prayer of the petitioners is allowed. Huh? Okay, hard learning counsel. Okay,
Obliged.
and discourse.
Item number 6.
Yeah, my lord.
Hmm.
Item number 6, my lord. I have partly complied with the order of last order, my lord. I have filed my rejoinder in respect to respond number 3 and 4, my lord. But in respect to private respond number 5, my lord, they have not furnished me with the copy of their affidavit in opposition.
Hmm. Three and four.
Yes, my lord, I have
No.
filed mine.
Hmm?
But private respond number 5 has not furnished me with the copy of their affidavit in opposition, my lord.
Otherwise, they have filed. The respondent
Otherwise, they have
number
filed,
five
my lord. Yes, my
have
lord.
filed.
Yes, my lord.
Who is for the respondent number 5?
Mr. P.K. Gorman.
Hmm. You have filed affidavit in reply also.
Yes, in reply to affidavit in opposition filed by
Filed
respondent
by
number 3
1
and
and
4.
2. 3 and 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But the 5, my lord, they have not provided me with their with the copy of their affidavit, ma'am.
Okay.
They have assured me to provide it with today, my lord.
Mm-hmm. Hard, Mr. B.P. Chahlan, counsel for the petitioner. Also had Ms. Pango for the state respondent number
3 and 4, your lordship.
3 and 4. 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Tafa. Mr. Picha, counsel for the respondent submits that he has filed affidavit in reply to the affidavit of opposition filed by the respondent number 3 and 4. However, submits that the respondent number 5 has not furnished the copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by him. Therefore, he is unable to file reply to any response. Stop. Para none appears on behalf of the respondent number. Only 5 is private respondent.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Okay. Today, no one represent the respondent number 5. Stop. In view of the above, the respondent number 5 is directed to furnish a copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by him to the counsel for the petitioner within a week from today. Stop. So within a week from today, so as to enable him to file response if any. Stop. Para. List a matter after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, ma'am.
3 weeks. Okay.
I have to file affidavit again.
Okay. As prayed for, comma. List a matter after 3 weeks.
My lord. Obliged.
Item number 7.
May I please, my lord?
Yes. 3. Item 4. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this my lord, Padhat matter, my lord. Last occasion, my lord has heard petitioner and the counsel for the this SIC, my lord. Today, this respondent 3, the informant is to make submission, my lord. This 4, my lord, that subsequent FIR, my lord, third FIR.
Mm-hmm.
Third FIR against the petitioner, my lord. Whereas second FIR has already been, my lord, set aside and quashed by this honorable court. Because, my lord, it's the part of same 71 crore rupees, my lord.
Okay, merged. That one. Okay.
Yes, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Since second FIR has already been set aside and quashed, my lord, since this first FIR, my lord, covers entire that allegation of misappropriation, my lord. Therefore, my lord, on piecemeal basis, the my lord prosecution cannot have, my lord, keep on registering the cases, my lord. that is the, that will be the abuse of the
First
process.
First FIR covered 71 crore.
Yes, my lord. Yeah.
Hmm?
My lord, this is the, this, my lord, when during my tenure as the administrator of this Arunachal Pradesh Apex Bank, my lord, my lord will find that first FIR at page number 19, my lord.
Okay, and then the second FIR?
My lord, second FIR thereafter,
Hmm.
second FIR.
Well, first FIR is at page
Page, my lord, will find page number starts from 17 onwards, my lord.
17.
17 onwards, written complaint, my lord, will find at page number 19, where
Page
it
number
is
19.
19, my lord. It is LS 71 crore 29 lakhs,
No, just a
1045,
minute. No. Of the petition.
my lord, of the petition, my lord.
No, this page 19 is something different, I think.
Page number
Is a
19, page
petition
number
of the
44, my lord. Page 44, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Page
Yes.
44, my lord.
page 44. Okay, is the first FIR.
My lord, my lord.
So
My lord,
here the
this first
allegation
FIR,
is
yes, it was filed on 2017 to 2016, my lord. Allegation, my lord, will find serial number 6, my lord. Total sum of rupees given there.
okay. This is first FIR allegation of misappropriation or
Of
disbursement
71 crore,
of
71
71 crore 29 lakhs.
lakhs,
Okay.
1045 rupees, my lord. Thereafter,
So
my lord,
this was investigated into charge sheet filed.
charge sheeted, my lord, then charge even frame. Now proceeding have been stayed by this honorable court.
Charge sheeted.
Charge frame,
Frame.
charge frame, my lord.
Proceeding
Uh,
state.
Proceeding state, my lord. So far, my lord, information I have received, my lord.
In which case? Another case.
This first charge sheet, my lord. This first case.
No, first charge sheet stayed. In which case? Some other
This
case.
no, my lord. This particular
In the present case.
first, yes, first FIR case.
No, first FIR case was stayed by this court.
Yes, my lord.
In which case?
This
In the
first
present petition.
No. Different, my lord. Not in the present petition.
Okay, that is why I'm asking.
Yes, my lord. Not in the present petition. Independently.
Have you annexed the order? Have you annexed the order?
No, my lord, because that is my lord, that is being looked after by some other council, my lord. That is, my lord, completely different context, my lord. That is something, my lord, after filing all this charge sheet, my lord. All the this allegation of 71 crore is thoroughly investigated and charge sheeted. Now, my case is, my lord, thoroughly investigated entire thing, my lord. During my tenure as a administrator, which is considered by the council for the SIC also, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, will kindly turn to, my lord, second FIR, my lord, will come, starts from page number 48, my lord.
Just a minute. This is page 44. Just a minute. Second FIR is page 48.
48, it starts from page 48, my lord.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, come to the page
Just a
number.
minute. Hmm.
My lord.
This
My
is, where do we find the allegation?
Allegation page 50, my lord. Then some inquiry was done. Then inquiry report. This was treated as FIR. Page 50, my lord.
Okay. Hmm.
50, gist of complaint. My lord will find in the middle gist of complaint, my lord. My lord has got.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I will just read it, my lord. A written complaint received by Sri Bida Taku, ex-minister, against Thanga Bage Pagang, sitting MLA, the then administered Arunachal Pradesh Consumer Cooperative Fairness Register and so for cheating, misuse, official intention, looting of public money amounting to 5 crores from Arunachal Pradesh State Cooperative Apex Fund. My lord, then allegation, the second FIR for 5 crore.
Mm-hmm.
Then, my lord,
This was
since, yes, this is second FIR
Hmm.
for 5 crore.
Okay.
Yes.
This was quashed.
Yes, my lord. Since, my lord, already 71 crore, it includes 5 crore, all the
By order
transaction.
that,
My lord
where
will
is that?
find,
Where was that? Where
yes,
was that
yes. Order,
order?
my lord, will find it page, start from page number 62, my lord. 62 onwards. All cases were discussed, my lord. Operative portion, my lord, I will straightly take, my lord, to page number 67 at the bottom, my lord.
In view of that.
Yes, my lord. TT Anthony, Arnab Goswami case, those cases were discussed, my lord, where say the second FIR is impossible, my lord. When the first FIR contains all the transaction, all the allegation, everything, how on piecemeal basis for every transaction you cannot have separate FIR, separate police case. This will be the gross abuse of power process, and the petitioner will face multiple criminal cases, my lord. Then, therefore, my lord, this honorable court was pleased to allow the criminal petition and said that since second FIR based on the same set of allegation is declared to be invalid, and consequently the registration of the second FIR would not be taken into account any further. And directed, my lord, that allegation of second FIR, it should be amalgamated in the first FIR. That allegation of 5 crore, it should be the part of the first FIR where the allegation is of 71 crore. Now, my lord, I am here.
Yes.
Now, this is the basically, my lord will find the impugned FIR at page number 33. The present FIR in question, which I am challenging in this petition, my lord will find it page number 33. My lord, on last occasion, I have entirely read the contents of this FIR, and my lord has also gone through. My lord,
Allegation of?
this is basically allegation against some person, Yura Tagung, bank manager, basically for issuing some document, no objection certificate, it seems.
This amount allegation in bold amount amount 19.
19 crore something, and my lord will find very interesting thing. Nowhere my name is there. Basically, this FIR was not filed against me even. And this position was considered by the learned counsel for the informant even, my lord. And that has been recorded in the order of this honorable court.
Okay, so
So now, SIC, my lord, again started investigating this 19 crore separately in this case. And I was called, investigated, and very interesting, my lord, they have sought for prosecution sanction. My lord will find it page number 94. Now, page number 94, my lord. Annexure 10, page 94.
what is this?
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Prosecutor sanction.
yes, prosecution wants to rob me in this third case, saying that this 19 crore was sanctioned by me when I was the administrator. Although the FIR, my lord, has seen there is no allegation against me, basically this FIR is for some other person. Now, when the SIC knows that 71 crore already includes this 19 crore also, this is not something separate from 71 lakhs, my lord.
The informant here is different person,
Yes, yes, it is different person.
complainant.
Basically, informant is behind this political motive is there. It's basically against honorable sitting MLA, one H. Mangfi and one bank manager. But I have been wrongly robbed in this particular case for sanctioning 19 crore when I was the administrator. Now, my case before Lordship is that so far sanctioning of loan to the various people, that allegation that is the part of the 71 crore that has already been charge sheeted, fully investigated, and this position has been very fairly and candidly considered by the counsel for the SIC also. My lord, I think they have produced some written instruction also saying yes, this is already been investigated, part of the 71 crore. And if they need, my lord, any further investigation, there is no bar so far. My lord, no section now 95, now BNSS, earlier 173(8), that further investigation they can always do. There is no bar. Law permits them. Only the requirement is that they need the prior permission of the concerned court, my lord. Now, my case, my lord, here, first, there is nothing in the FIR against me, my lord. Why should I be robbed in this particular case? FIR doesn't disclose any criminal case against me. On this account alone, even, my lord, this registration of case against me is liable to be set aside and quashed. First ground, my lord. Second, my second ground is, my lord, that since, my lord, applying the same principle as in when the second FIR was quashed by this honorable court, saying that since this is a part of the same 71 crore, my lord, therefore, my lord, the SIC cannot investigate. First, you will investigate 71 crore. Thereafter, you can not keep on splitting the amount, and you cannot do piecemeal investigation. Therefore, my lord, since 5 crore was earlier set aside, was amalgamated, therefore, my prayer, my lord, in this case, my lord, if at all SIC wants
Hmm.
to do investigation even, otherwise that is part of the first FIR charge sheeted already. They have a power, they can always go for further investigation, but my lord, law says that the SIC cannot again register me and cannot implicate me in a new criminal case, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am before this honorable court, my lord,
Execution sanction was sought
for filing charge sheet
Uh,
against me, my lord, in this case.
okay, against you. Okay.
I am a government employee, my lord.
Okay.
And
Just, we'll take a 3-minute break.
my,
Just a
my,
minute. Oh. Hmm.
so,
Yes.
basically, and my lord, in addition to that, my lord, I beg to apprise this honorable court. So far, this 19 crore, this alleged this loan amount is concerned, my lord, this has been mutually amicably settled in the Lok Adalat, my lord, with the bank. And Lok Adalat has also given award. And I think the defaulter, my lord, he has been paying the amount also, my lord. And execution proceeding was filed before this honorable court. This honorable court has also passed certain orders, my lord, whereby directed to pay on installment, my lord. So defaulter by now must have paid even the amount, my lord. So question,
No, he is a defaulter.
my lord. So I have annexed my lord order also of this honorable court where the defaulter has approached this honorable court, my lord. Civil revision petition, my lord. My lord, may I take, my lord?
Okay, this case,
My lord,
yes.
kindly page number 97. Then 97, then my lord will find page number, my lord, page number 100, my lord, 101 onwards, my lord, my lord's order only. Page number, operative person, page number 102, para 5, my lord. Be that as it may, since the petitioner has shown his bona fide by depositing rupees 30 lakhs on so and towards the repayment as directed by this law, he is undertaken to deposit so and rest of the amount within so and so. That's why even, my lord, execution proceeding against the defaulter has been state, my lord, is paying, my lord. So this 19 crore, my lord, this is not the misappropriation, my lord. This allegation, my lord, when I was an administrator, the bank function is to extend the loan, my lord, which I did in my normal function, my lord. And the amount is also under recovery, my lord. I don't know, my lord, how I can be robbed in this particular case.
So this in 71, this 19 also covers. So in that specific allegation probably is also there.
Let them investigate and do, my lord. But since amount has been recovered, even, my lord, this 71 crores.
Okay, so
This may be
where is the, just a minute, where was the one sentence you saw on the other day that it covers?
Oh, my lord. My lord.
Just a minute, I just would like to see that one. Okay. Oh, you took back that one.
First one which is like what it's
Okay, yes, this one. Okay, this is not before the court,
No, because
not in the court's record. This is not available with the court. Okay, but then the copy is not here on record. Okay. Yes, Mr. Raj, anything else?
My lord, that's why my prayer, my lord has seen, my lord, this is not permissible under the law. And I cannot be subjected to, my lord, for every loan which I have, my lord, sanctioned when I was a administrator, my lord, when the allegation is already there in this cover in 71 and amount is being recovered also. And there is, my lord, not a single whisper against me in the FIR even, my lord. And my lord, for that one, I cannot be, my lord, forced to go for this protracted criminal investigation, trial, all those things, my lord. Although I will be definitely, my lord, finally discharged, my lord, but this process, my lord, it will be very hard, this perilous, this will be proceeding, and that will be the episode. That's why, my lord, I have to approach this honorable court, my lord, immediately when I came to know the SIC is proceeding in a very wrong way, not permissible under the law, my lord. That's why for quashing the FIR registration of this case, particularly against me, my lord. That's my humble prayer, my lord.
Okay. And then anything to submit? Otherwise, it can be class. Almost similar but shorter order can be passed
Yes, madam.
to amalgamate.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And then, so what you have anything to submit?
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord. Okay. My lord, it has been repeatedly argued that the third FIR relates to the sanctioning of the loan of 19 crores, my lord. Is it so, my lord? Your lordship has already gone to the FIR, first FIR, my lord. The allegation in the first FIR was a sanctioning of loan of around 71 crores, my lord.
Yes.
That was the main allegation, that during the petitioner, he has disbursed that amount of loan during his tenure as the administrator of the Apex Bank, my lord. But in the present FIR, if your lordship can kindly come to the present FIR, that is, it starts from page 31, my lord. The relevant portion is page 33. That is a complaint, my lord. Lost by the informant, my lord. Your lordship can see what is the allegation in the present complaint, my lord. That, sir, it is to inform and intimate your good office that in some years ago, namely Hayang Mompi, presently MLA of 9th Sayang Tazu ST Assembly Constituency, then proprietor of name and style of Mrs. HM Traders, has taken multi-crores of rupees on loan from Itanagar Cooperative Apex Bank Limited through cash credit, overdraft and DBP facilities. And very surprisingly, then administrator of the bank had sanctioned the crores of rupees on loan without securing any mortgage as security in equivalent or at par of the said loan, and without considering the financial position capacity of Hayang Mompi in order to secure the public deposit money in case of default in repayment and realization of the loan amount. The administrator who was there at the time of sanctioning of the loan, it is not mentioned in the complaint, my lord. He has taken the loans sometime back, my lord. Subsequently, from para 2 onwards, your lordship can see the main allegation is from para 2 onwards, my lord. That's after default in repayment of the monthly EMI loan amount by Hayang Mompi in the year 2018, a total amount of 19 crore 50 lakhs 41,506 only, and rupees 9 crore 55 lakhs 28,192 only respectively has been stand due. As such, bank has filed a claim before local lot at UPA, but illogically, Sri Yura Tagang, then manager, has waived off more than 12 crore of loan amount by using his power and position. And accordingly, on dated 9/3/2019, Honorable Local Lot at UPA has settled and decreed the matter in case number so-and-so, Apex Bank Itanagar versus Hayang Mompi, with due amount of a bank manager, Sri Yura Tagang, as pleaded before the court for an amount of rupees 10 crore. And ordered the settled amount shall be paid in 6 equal installments of 1 crore 66 lakh 67,000 as on date indicated below. The first installment on 30/7/2019, second installment 30/8/2019, third installment up to 6th installment on 30/12/2019, my lord. The loan amount was settled, 19 crore loan amount was settled for 10 crore, my lord. The bank manager has waived more than 9 crore amount from out of the due amount of the bank, my lord. Their settlement was done on 9/3/2019, my lord. The dates are very important, my lord. And the first installment is to be paid on 30/7/2019, from 30th of July, my lord.
That is the date on which the first installment has to be paid. Then in para 3, that's in another case being case number so and so, Apex Bank Itanagar versus Hyang Mampi, it was decreed an award settled at 6,88,39,000 and ordered that the settled amount shall be paid in 6 equal installment of 1,14,74,000 below. As on date indicated below, that is first installment on 30/7/2019, second installment so and so after the sixth installment on 30/12/2019. There are two loan accounts, my lord. One was for more than 19 crore, that was settled for 10 crore. The more than 9 crore was waived by the bank manager. And the second amount was more than 9 crore, that was settled for around 6 crore 88,39,000. About 3 crore was waived, my lord, by the bank manager, my lord. Then para 4, my lord. That's immediately after passing the aforesaid decree, award, it was passed on, my lord, 9/3/2019, my lord. The awards of both the cases, my lord. Within 3 days, and also without payment of a single installment of the said loan amount as undertaken in accordance with the decree, and even after tunes of the amount of more than 12 crore has been money has been irrationally waived off or relinquished by Sri Yura Tagang, then bank manager. Moreover, most surprisingly, on 12/3/2019, Yura Tagang has illogically issued a self-manufactured and false no-due certificate in favor of Sri Hyang Mampi without appreciate even basic academic meaning of no due by abusing his power and position. And further, it is pertinent to mention herein that after taking advantage of such false certificates, Sri Hyang Mampi has contested state assembly election in 2019 and won. Hence, same is an amount to be gross misconduct being a public servant, my lord. The allegation is not about the sanctioning of the loan amount, my lord. It is the allegation against the bank manager and the loanee about waiving of the 12 crore, my lord, more than 12 crore illegally, my lord, by the bank manager. And the decree was passed by the local court on 9/3/2019, my lord. The dates are mentioned here. The decree was passed by the local court on 9/3/2019, and the first installment is supposed to be paid by the loanee on 30/7/2019, my lord.
Yes, but this entire, you see, the allegation, whatever, part pay, part not pay, whatever, comes under this 71 crore 29 lakh.
No, my lord. The allegation is different here in this particular case, my lord. Because if illegally a no due certificate issued, false certificate has been issued, and that certificate has been used by the loanee as well as the bank in various other cases, my lord. That offense is a different offense, my lord. That will be covered under 468 and 471 IPC, my lord. Now the
In the first FIR, what is the section?
the allegation in the
offense?
first FIR, the allegation is about sanctioning of the loan of 71, more than 71 crores.
Yes.
Without any valid authority and these things. But
The SIC says that during investigation, it has been found that the loan facilities extended to Messrs. HM Traders.
Yes, my lord.
Which are the subject matter of SIC vigilance, PS case number 13, are part of the same loan transactions.
Maybe it may be, my lord.
Already covered under the aggregate loan amount of rupees 71 crore 29 lakhs being investigated by the SIC. Therefore, the monetary involvement component involved in SIC case number so overlaps with and is included in the total loan amount under investigation in SIC number case number 9/2016. So it is part of the 71.
Sanctioning amount may be part of the 71 crores, my lord. I am this FIR is not about the about the amount of the loan sanction, my lord. It is about the subsequently what had happened, my lord. It is about the use of the false certificate, my lord. Using a false certificate is a different offense, my lord.
But for what, my lord? For taking out that money which is under the 71 crores, my lord.
This is out of 71 crore.
Yes, my lord.
Some out of it, total is 71 crore.
Yes, my lord.
Out of this 5, maybe someone, to someone, some farm, some person, individual, return, not return, waived. Okay, 19 again to the different farm, different person, and then settle before Lok Adalat, waived without information, and then they are paid, not paid, still not under process. But whatever may be, but after all, this entire amount, it comes within the 71.
Yes, my lord, the amount may be same, my lord. It may be a part of the 71 crores, my lord. But what about the other allegations, my lord? The using of a false certificate, my lord. What about that allegation, my lord? It falls under a different offense, my lord.
See, the investigation is going on. If this is amalgamated, those sections also will be inserted
And
against,
surprisingly,
against accused.
surprisingly, your lordship will kindly come to Annexure 10, my lord, page 94.
Now, what do you want? What is your submission?
That this copy
It is not a part of 71.
No. This part of this annexure that has been annexed by the petitioner, how come he get hold of this copy, my lord? This, your lordship will kindly turn to page 94, my lord. Annexure 10. That's a letter is
Yes.
written by the deputy SP, DSP, to the sanctioning authority, seeking with a prayer for prosecution sanction against Olik Taring, my lord. How this petitioner can get hold of this particular letter, my lord? Obviously, he cannot have a copy of this letter by legal means, my lord. And we don't know what allegation has been brought against the Olik Taring in this particular case, my lord.
In the first case, whether the prosecution sanction was obtained.
Yes.
Okay.
And surprisingly,
then repeatedly, what prosecution sanction would be necessary?
Yes, my lord.
One prosecution sanction probably for one case, or in the series of cases arising out of one particular case.
During this, because the FIR has been lost against the bank manager Yura Tagang and that Loni, my lord, Hayang Mampi, my lord. And SIC has investigated the matter, my lord. Now, after investigating what they have found out, we cannot have access to that, my lord.
Right.
And even the petitioner, he cannot have access to that, my lord. And repeatedly he has been stating that it forms the allegations is against sanctioning of the loan. Where from he is stating that, my lord? Where is the knowledge? His knowledge, my lord. And probably this Annexure 10, he cannot get the copy of the Annexure 10 by legal means, my lord. Obviously, it has been procured illegally, my lord. He was called for his statement. His statement has been recorded, my lord. And this annexure has been annexed by the petitioner along with his copy, my lord. With the petition, my lord. How can he get hold of this copy, my lord?
May I clarify, my lord?
Copy was given to the.
No, copy cannot be given, my lord.
No, just SP, SCB only. And an address to Deputy Secretary.
This is part of the case study, my lord. He cannot get hold of this paper, my lord.
Okay, this is annexed by the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. That has been annexed by the petitioner, my lord. It has not been produced by a standing counsel, my lord.
It's a draft charge sheet, draft prosecution sanction format.
This is not a subject matter.
My lord, may I make a submission, my lord?
Yes. What is that?
I'm not yet.
My lord, my understanding of the learned counsel.
Just 1 minute. Yes. What is your clarification? Just 1 minute, Mr. Shekhar.
My lord.
Yes. What is your clarification in this?
My understanding of the learned counsel for the informant, what he is submitting, is that so far this FIR is concerned, this is not the case against me, first, my lord. As I said earlier also, this is FIR against some other two person. One is bank manager and Huratugu, my lord. This is basically what he is saying, my lord. And he considered that part also. This FIR is not against me, my lord. This part is very clear. Now, second part, my lord. Now, once, my lord, this FIR was not against me, Now the SIC, my lord, which is not disputing, my lord, by the learned counsel for the SIC, that they tried to they investigated regarding grant of sanctioning of the loan of 19 crore also in this case, and wanted me to make a one of the accused person. I was called for the investigation, and they even proposed for the prosecution sanction. There is no dispute that is not the SIC case, my lord. They are not implicating me in this case, my lord. Now only after filing of my criminal petition before this honorable court, now SIC has made clear that so far sanctioning is concerned, this will cover under 71 crore, my lord. So my case is, my lord, it is irrelevant whether from where I get the document, not the document. This is not the issue. Issue is, my lord, whether I am being implicated in the present case for sanctioning rupees 19 crore. Because though respondent informant has no allegation against me, respondent has nothing to do with me. He is categorically, repeatedly saying that this FIR is not for sanctioning. This FIR pertains to the issue of the false certificate, my lord. Issue of the false certificate, which I have no connection with regard to that issue of false certificate. Then the, my lord, question comes, why I should be, my lord, implicated in this case, my lord. And this is not the SIC stand, my lord. I was not implicated in this case, my lord. That's why I am before this wrong court. That's why, my lord, that is the subject, because I am not here defending this bank manager or the this honorable MLA. Whether there is a case or not case, my lord, that is a different subject matter. So far here, my lord, I am for Dr. Olik Taring, my lord, who was the administrator, who sanctioned the amount, who had sanctioned the 19 crore rupees, my lord. Now the issue before Lordship is that whether in this FIR, this sanctioning can be investigated. My humble submission, my lord, it cannot be investigated. Even the informant doesn't want that, he's not saying about sanctioning. It's a completely different case. But that's why, my lord, my humble prayer that this case should not be registered against me, my lord. And this registration of this case against me should be quashed, my lord. For me only, my lord. I am not for other person. I am not
Just a
for...
minute. In the first FIR, Mr. Oji, specifically, whether the, okay, in the first FIR, whether this hangman fee and who else? Yuratagong is also accused.
No, my lord.
No.
No, my lord.
Okay, so in the supplementary
Therefore, my lord.
charge sheet,
Therefore, my lord.
they will be made as a
Yes,
accused.
my lord. It can be done, my lord.
Okay.
That is one of
Okay.
because going for a new FIR, my lord, they,
Yes, yes.
they will investigate.
Yes, yes.
They will investigate the same, my lord.
Okay.
And even if, my lord, if this FIR is allowed, my lord, again, these two, I mean, the persons, my lord, so-called accused persons, they will again come with the quashing application, and it goes on like. Therefore, my lord, if you are given a chance, my lord, since the charges are already been filed, my lord, we can go for a supplementary charge sheet, my lord. Rather than I'm helping the informant, my lord.
It's not it's not a separate amount. It's within the 71.
No, I
lakh
am not
crore.
on that, my lord. I am on the subsequent part, my lord, regarding the use of that no due certificate and.
See, that is being investigated.
That has been.
And it will be culminated into charge sheet here, this case also.
Yes.
But then it will be in the form of supplementary charge sheet in the first FIR. Although it will be submitted, entire thing, entire evidence, entire statement will be recorded, accused, the whosoever is involved, and the witnesses in that case will be recorded, but then it will be filed into a supplementary charge sheet in the first FIR.
Otherwise,
because after all, it has arisen out of this DOT 71, which was granted during the
though the starting point is the sanctioning of the loan, but I am concerned with the subsequent part only, my lord. Use of that false certificate, my lord.
See, if you are concerned with the certain person here, say for example, you are concerned with the person, high month fee, he should be implicated. See, the investigation, because your target is something different, that he should be implicated so as to his name should prominently come. in the case.
That petitioner,
It is
I-
coming only, otherwise, it is
petitioner.
coming only. Because the investigation, while investigating the case of this Yura and who is administrator and who sanctioned the 71 crore. Along with that, whosoever is involved will be made as a accused only. And this will be this will form part of the supplementary charge. And then the supplementary charge.
But
in the
early two FIRs, my lord,
already the case already charged sheeted in first FIR. As in the case of the second FIR, which was
No,
amalgamated.
if your lordship has gone through, the copy of the search sheet,
Hmm.
the search sheet, though there is a one case registered, the search sheet has been given only for the secondary FIR only, my lord, not on the first FIR, my lord.
That is why second FIR.
Yes, search sheet has been given only for the second part of the FIR, second FIR, my lord,
Mhm.
with regard to the 5 crores only, my lord,
Okay.
not on the 71 crores, my lord. The investigation is still going on, my lord, for that.
Okay, so that will be amalgamated.
No,
And
that is already amalgamated.
already, that is already amalgamated.
Yes, my lord.
So this also will be amalgamated.
That,
And then
because in the
accused,
FIR,
if there were only 5 accused, now it will be increased, the accused from this case arising out of this 19 crore also will be included as the accused in that case. And the fact on that, and then likewise, the offense, the section will also increase against against the particular accused persons, whosoever have committed.
yes, my lord.
That is what the SB is saying.
But in my humble submission is that this part can also be kept separate, my lord.
Then ACB would not be the party, madam, because it comes under forgery, madam. If you go to the conventional police station, madam, not the ACB, madam.
Yes, that will be different again. Then only IPC or
And ACB
BNS. Because here SCB is investigating along with that. And for those things or the allegation against the forgery, issuance of all those are being covered in the investigation.
Yes, my lord. In that case, my lord, if your lordship,
That observation will be made because the allegation is clear. FIR.
yes, my lord, in the FIR,
And if the entire allegation is amalgamated,
yes,
it is understood that the investigation will be done and on the based on the allegation made in the FIR.
that
And
observation.
this will form part of the main allegation of
Yes, madam.
71.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
The observation may be given, my lord.
Okay, that observation will give your your submission.
Yes, my
Okay, that also will be given. Anything else?
No, madam.
My lord.
Okay, so this
TD, madam, TD, madam.
see this I think probably from your part, this says so many things during investigation. Okay. Oh, CD, what else is there? Or what in order to,
I was just asking my lord whether my lord will return that and it can be.
but this is original.
No, it can be made a part of the report.
This is I think the scan copy only.
Yes, my lord. It can be
So
made
we can make it part of, because this record we need. This record is para 5. This will be incorporated on the basis of the, because your submission is based on this only. Hmm.
Can be made a part of the report.
Okay. Heard Mr. R. Sonar, Learning Council for the petitioner. So, stop. Huh? Also heard Mr. O. Pada, Learning Standing Council, ACB, for respondent number 1. So only 1. And Mr. R. Sekhar, Land Council, appearing on behalf of the private respondent number 2. Stop, par. No, this will take time. I'll keep it as a, CAB. Okay. Hearing concluded. Judgment reserved. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
The
Item number 10.
yes.
Yeah, pleasure, Lordship.
Yeah.
This is a joint application. In fact, petitioner number 1 and 2 are the husband and wife. Last time, record was called for. And I am told that
Who represent the state?
state Ms. Topi was representing. She has informed me that
She left.
no, she is here, but due to some urgent work, she has requested to pass over this matter
So for the time being.
for time.
Okay.
Item number 12.
Yes.
Well, I don't know. The additional PP was asked to bring the case diary. My lord, in the last order, my lord, bail condition was so difficult at all to come. And the alleged accused could not muster a surety from one local surety from Arunachal.
No. Did I say, did the condition local surety or the resident?
Local.
Local surety is not
Yes,
possible.
my lord, kindly see the
Resident only.
resident.
It's not a local.
No, resident means Arunachali.
No. Resident means anyone who is serving non-Arunachali who has a resident who is staying in Arunachal presently.
Number two is that there is a leverage Milord has given, saying that as and when called for by. But Milord, this interim bail was subject. This was subject to the material available against the accused. I have nothing to submit today. Only for the fact that if there are material against the accused, then this bail we could see the end itself today.
So,
Case diary is there with the matter himself.
Lordship, I have a guest diary. Lordship, here the alleged accused Lordship, Kuldeep Das is the main prime accused Lordship. So a strong bail objection is here.
after obtaining this bail,
No,
whether
he
he
did not appear.
No, it's not.
did not.
He will not appear, Lordship, because he's the prime accused.
He could not mark up that local security.
Not local surety. Resident here, we understand is resident means anyone, any person who is presently residing in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
Number one, as an call for
Not influence.
He said not in the state of Arunachal. That was amounting to detain.
No, without prior intimation.
Yeah, yeah.
With intimation, he can leave anywhere, anytime. Just he have to inform that he is leaving.
That is correct.
Ah.
That is correct.
Uh-huh.
Yes, because like I did not see the order,
Uh-huh.
but I remember what my lord had dictated.
Oh, no, that was there.
I think my memory stands correct because of few words. But my lord, in any case, in NDPS case, my lord, as a senior court officer, my lord, I only have to make a respectful submission and assist the court if there is a prima facie material against the accused that might disclose in the case diary, my lord, this interim protection must go. Because this is eminence, this has become eminence in this country. And a lot of young boys and girls are being destroyed by this. Whereas in any case, my lord, the only thing my lord has to see is the fact that even though my lord, what instruction that I got is the owner of the vehicle came, my lord, to Balapur police station and got the vehicle used in the crime on Jima Nama. And then what has transpired, I do not know. Number two, my lord, will only appreciate on one condition. That second condition, my lord, is that I was not inside the vehicle.
You were in a different vehicle.
I was in a different vehicle, and my lord, I have already crossed the gate. But now thereafter, my lord, normally in such kind of things, it happens so. Probably another accused might not have been arrested by the police or must not have appeared before the police. Thereby, they might have created another version. Because, my lord, in any case, my lord, in the bail jurisdiction, my lord, there are certain things which we appreciate in the court itself. Because case diary cannot be taken as a gospel truth.
That is true.
Because most of the time, I know the prosecution, they always manufactures the story. So the basic objective, basic objective is without casting any aspersions on the integrity of any organization, the only thing is to be seen as to whether the person concerned has discharged his duty in accordance with law or not. Whether there is a small suspicion whether the case diary has been constructed in such a manner so that the bail is rejected. 99% of the prosecution case, in Arunachal, of my experience, what I have noticed is there are certain things which I don't want to overwrite here. The prosecution will always create the stories. The only thing is that prima facie, because the judgment which I have placed before also, because section 37 of the NDPS
here
circumscribe the power of this court to grant bail to the accused. Judgment I have placed. So that is one. And fourth thing, my lord, will kindly see whether the alleged accused person was in the car or not.
No, here in the instant case, it was noticed that someone got down, fled away.
No, but my thing is, say, assuming not admitting at the moment, suppose the prosecution might come up in the case there, saying that I am the mastermind. I am the mastermind. But even if I have mastermind, then I ought not to have crossed the check gate before the commission of that offense. Because according to the instruction, my client already crossed the check gate by 7:30, in between 7:30 to 8 a.m. in the morning. Now thereafter, by 9:30, the incident was reported. That is after 1 hour, say 1.5 hours. Then since I am a person who has already crossed the check gate, and thereafter this was reported and that another person jumped out from the car. So kindly see, because nothing There is
Mm.
no physical recovery from my end,
Mm.
from my side.
Okay.
And
Only your ILP
yes,
recover from the vehicle from where?
that may not be because,
Mm.
that's why normally what I always say is,
Mm.
this is a disputed question of fact.
Yes,
Disputed question of fact.
Mm.
And that can be established at the time of
trial.
trial only.
Okay.
So this is, we will
Ec-
not travel
Mm.
beyond.
Okay, anyway, what is what the case diary says?
Lordship, case study lordship, here lordship, the accused lordship, which is under the custody lordship, as per his statement lordship, he is the lordship main accused lordship who directed him to do all the necessary lordship. Lordship may go through the case study lordship. I cannot disclose all the entire thing because it's still under investigation.
Oh, but it's already 1 o'clock.
Okay, just a minute. Travel with the other persons involved in the contraband. Okay, so but then it appears he is the one.
Yes, lordship. Lordship may go through the case
He
study.
travel also. He
Yes.
travel in the same vehicle
Yes, lordship.
along with this accused.
So, but that,
Anyway, but then since he failed to
Complete the lordship.
comply with the bail condition, and this course is not inclined to extend
Yes, lordship.
I am.
the interim bail. Okay, so I'll pass the order.
Lordship.
Okay.
It's kind of activity.
That
Sometimes consents
Mm.
also do not permit that.
yes, that and then he give a different version to the advocate.
Yes.
Make him to pray pray vigorously, and then later on turn back, and that becomes difficult for an advocate also.
That is why, Melo, there is the English, beautiful English,
Mm.
the slowly ghosted
Mm.
person with doubtful character and integrity.
Mm.
Slowly ghosted.
Yes. Okay. So
Good.
bail stands rejected.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
Item number 10,
Oh, I thought it's only election matter. Then it also there. Mm.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is a joint application filed by in fact, husband and wife, lordship. All the matters that is pending before the older courts, lordship will find it the settlement agreement at page 41.
What is the allegation? Wife and husband.
Wife and husband, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship will find the marriage certificate at page 40, lordship. In fact, the offenses, lordship, 323, 448, this both the 323 is voluntarily causing hurt. Punishment is of 1 year. 448 is house trespass. This punishment is of 1 year. These two sections are compoundable, in fact, lordship. Section 493 is non-compoundable, lordship. Now, the allegation in 493 is cohabitation caused by a man deceitfully inducing a belief of lawful marriage. That is the allegation.
Now the FIR was lodged by this wife.
Wife.
Okay. Previous marriage. Now they are staying together.
Not anymore, Lordship. They are not staying together. But then when this FIR was filed, they were staying together. The
Okay,
FIR is
so
of
what the,
2017, Lordship.
okay, what is the settlement?
Lordship
When
settled.
they execute this settlement, they are already separated.
Not officially, but they are not living together anymore. Lordship. The other way. Page 42, Lordship. There clearly in the agreement also, we have mentioned, both the parties has mentioned that now both the parties are living their lives separately and peacefully without any further dispute, and have agreed and decided to compound the above mentioned cases, or if any criminal cases which are not yet charge sheeted before the competent court.
There are other, okay, there is more than one case.
Lordship
Between
filed
them.
against me as well as against the first party and the second party, Lordship.
First party and second party.
First party is the wife, second party is the husband, Lordship.
Husband also lodged complaint.
Yes. Complaint, counter complaint was filed, Lordship. All these matters are settled, Lordship. I have the record with me, Lordship.
Okay.
In fact, some of the records I have annexed. Some of the records, Lordship, it will be with my colleague, Lordship. All are settled, Lordship. DV.
Yes, Jenny. Yes, Miss Jenny.
See, Lordship, I don't have any objection.
What is the stage of the present case?
The TCR is there,
Present-
Lordship, it's only for the appearance.
Appearance of the case of 17.
Yes, 2017,
Now it's only for appearance.
only appearance.
You have objection?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, we'll pass order then in that case. Okay, we have no time. We'll just heard Mr. Ginny. J. Ginny, Lana Council for the petition. Also heard Miss P. Ginny, huh? And additional PP for the stage. And oh, you are assisting Ginny?
Yeah.
Okay, petitioner, okay. What is this order, Mr. Jenny?
No, those orders, they have submitted, bring into court's notice that all these matters that has been written in the agreement, Your Lordship, has been compounded by the parties.
Okay,
There was a settlement in all this matter and some of them has been withdrawn. Some of them
okay,
has
okay.
been
So
dropped.
this is the, in another case where, no, I think the parties are different.
No, it's the same party.
It's the same.
Same
Which
party,
court?
Lordship. There was one, the DB, it's at page number 41, Your Lordship
Okay,
will find.
just a minute. Huh?
Page number 41, Your Lordship will find her order with.
Page 41.
41, the first case filed by the wife, number 1 is DV case that has been withdrawn on 21/4/2026 as per the record, Your Lordship.
Okay, okay.
And then the other is GR case number 222, which was
No, just a minute, huh? Page 41 and 42.
page-
GR case 222/17 withdrawn.
no, 222/17 is the present case, Your Lordship.
Okay, present case.
Yes. Or ye consult.
And 39/23 is,
Complaint case, Your Lordship will find at page number 44, Your Lordship. 44 is the complaint case number 3 of 2022,
withdrawal.
withdrawn, Your Lordship. And then consult. The other case, Your Lordship will, GR case number 39 is at page number, the order that they have submitted just now, Your Lordship. It was,
Which was withdrawn?
the complaint case number 3.
03
Okay.
2023. Is
Zero?
it page number to 46? We don't order.
846, 03.
What's this? It was sent to mediation and it was settled between the parties, the complaint case.
Which one is it? 0?
Criminal complaint case number 03 of 2023,
03. Okay, number 1.
number 1. And the
Okay.
GR case number, ये क्या- ये ना कौन सा है?
222-17 is pending before CGM Pasikat.
39.
GR 2022 of 17. It's pending and the next date is on 15/9/26.
But this is the present one.
No, present one is at serial number 2 above your lordship will see the first serial number 2, GR number 223 of 17.
223.
Of 17. That is the present case, your lordship. The one down below serial number 2 is another case.
Okay, okay. 2 is also pending.
Yes, 2 is pending and the next date shown as
The
per
pending before where?
pending before the,
CGM Pasikat.
CGM Pasigat.
yes,
Stage of?
appearance on 15/9/26.
This is against?
This is against the wife by the husband.
Not withdrawn.
This is, it seems it was as per the order given to the court just now, your lordship. I have also been, I'm in receipt of the same, your lordship. It seems the charge with FRO yet, nice. The case was, there was an FR on this case, your lordship. And the next date is for protest petition, if any.
May 2/22/17.
Yes.
Okay. And 39?
39?
Quas.
39 has been quashed by this honorable court in criminal petition 162 of 2026.
This was against?
This was against GR number 39 of 23. 39 of
This is also on record?
this
in the petition?
they have just given one
Okay,
one
okay.
copy and your lordship one copy. Your lordship.
Okay, okay. This.
This
we
was
have to
this
compare
was
it.
quashed on 24/6/2026 by your lordship itself, your lordship. 24/6/2026 in criminal petition 162 of 2026. And the fourth one is a non-FIR case, your lordship.
Okay. Oh, look, how many cases? So now this one they want to finish.
Yes. So all of the matter seems to have been settled, your lordship.
Okay.
So I don't have
So-
any objection to that.
FIR is yes.
Page number 22, your lordship will find.
22 is FIR.
Yes.
Okay.
Typed copy is page number 23A.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay.
The FIR number is 225 of 17 and the GR number is 223 of 17.
Where do we find GR number?
GR number, your lordship will find at
Charge sheet? Page 25.
it's in, where is it? It's in the record, otherwise the TCR that has been called, your lordship. I've checked it.
Mhm.
That, hi, GR number.
Okay. And then any order annexed? Order passed by the court?
The matter it's in the appearance stage as per the TCR, your lordship.
As per?
The TCR, your lordship.
Okay. It's in the TCR.
Yes.
Last order 4. No. 18/6.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And agreement is that
Agreement is at
42.
page number 41.
Okay, 41. Okay, I'll dictate.
Did-
Disclose. So this, keep the record for some time. Okay. Issues.
Item number 17, unlisted motion matter.
My lord, this is petition number 528.
Will issue notice? Call for the,
Yeah.
okay. Card Mr. Tiomo, Learned Counsel for the petition.
My lord, I have interim prayer is there.
What interim?
Because my lord, this is filed after subsequent petition, my lord. Because before I approached this honorable court for quashing of FIR only, but subsequently it has come to our to my knowledge that the subsequently charge sheet was already been filed. So I had to withdraw the petition and I had to bring on the record the charge sheet also.
What is the allegation? Let us see the FIR.
FIR is at page number 22.
Complaint. Content of the FIR.
Is content of
25.
page,
Page 25. madam.
page 25.
Harassment.
I'm looking at. So this FIR, it appears to be
Charge sheet already filed.
yes, my lord. May kindly
So what happened there? Any notice issued?
no, my lord.
Then-
It charge sheet has already been filed, but it is at the stage of since 3 of the sections are at session trial. So there the cognizance has not been taken, and then it is at the stage of committal after cognizance. So then, my lord, my submission is nature of incident is private and personal, and it has no ramification, social ramification, Your Honor. And considering this aspect, and by the involvement of the family member, Your Honor, the matter has comprehensively settled between the parties.
registered under,
All the sections mentioned in the FIR has been put in.
yes. Mr.
Yes, my lord, earlier also, my lord, they approached the court wherein there was a direction for no coercive action should be taken against the accused person.
Yes, by order dated
That is
308.
3/8/2026 by
Hmm?
coordinate bench, my
Page
lord.
number 42, my lord. Page number 42. This was the order in the first,
In this case,
yes, this was
Same case, my lord.
subsequently filed after withdrawal of the previous criminal petition.
Earlier, my lord, they have jointly approached this court for quashing of the FIR.
Yes.
Mhm.
And during the pendency of this court, my lord, charge sheet has been filed.
Mhm.
And after filing of the charge sheet, they withdraw the earlier petition, that was criminal petition 224 of 26. And then they file a fresh, my lord, by annexing all the charge sheet, my lord. Now, my lord, since as per their submission, my lord, the cognizance has perhaps not been taken since some of the offenses are session triable.
Hmm.
So no any, as on that, no any, some cognizance has been taken as on that, my lord. Only charge sheet has been filed and the offense is 74, 75, 76, 79, 126 of BNS, out of which, my lord, 74 is compoundable, 75 non-compoundable, 76 non-compoundable, 79 non-compoundable, 126 subsection 2 is compoundable. So now they enter into an agreement, my lord, and admittedly, my lord, in the FIR itself is a unisex saloon, my lord. It's very quite strange, my lord, when unisex saloon and somebody went there and the allegation of, my lord, the sexually harassing someone who was working there. With your lordship will find in the FIR itself. That is in page number, this para 6, my lord. Commit enter without consent against my will and constitute sexual harassment and all the sections which has been mentioned in the FIR under those sections, the FIR was registered, my lord. And charge sheet was also filed under those sections. But now, before this court is the settlement, my lord. The settlement between both the parties, my lord. A victim who was who made an allegation or who filed.
now the case has not yet been taken cognizance. Can we stay? No.
My lord, now investigation part is already over.
Mhm.
Now, my lord, if, my lord, this court find that there is no chance of remote and bleak chance of conviction because now they have already settled. So now charge sheet has already been filed, my lord. Earlier, my lord, considering the progress of investigation,
Mhm.
there was the proceeding was not stayed, but no coercive action, direction for no coercive action against the accused was granted by this court. Now, my lord, the charge sheet has been filed.
Whether he was arrested?
No, no, my
No. He was summoned by
In the bail,
IO
okay.
under IO.
35(3).
Taken 35(3) and
Okay.
taken statement. And due to cooperation, he was not arrested.
At this stage, my lord, may call for the TCR.
Mhm.
And my lord, by considering this settlement, my lord, the further proceeding may be stayed, my lord, because, my lord, otherwise it will be amount to abuse of process. Let us consider the, my lord, material and basing on that, my lord, whether it is quashable or not, and whether the offenser of is of society, it has an impact on the society or not. That has to be taken into consideration, my lord.
Okay, this application under section 5 to 8 of the BNS, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, has been filed jointly by the informant and the accused in ITA PS case number 57/2027-26 and subsequent charge sheet dated 28. Charge sheet 28/7/2026. So still it is pending before?
My lord, Chief Judicial Magistrate.
Okay,
Charge sheet
now
has been
pending
filed.
before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate in corresponding case registered as GR case number 668/2026 under section 74, 74, 75, 76, 79, 126 to BNS 2023 staff. Issue notice, call for the scanned copy of the Trial court record, staff, list the matter.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks, staff. In the meantime, the further proceeding in GR case number 668/2026 unless pending before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate shall remain state till the next date of